siya manang-manang. Like this one po. Haba.
Juicy. Tender.
I mean, what is the Tagalog of manang-manang po?
Mm?
Tagalog.
Malambot.
Like this one po, like, this looks like the but like this one.
Mm.
One month na lang. And walang pasok.
Mm?
1 month na walang pasok po.
Wah.
Di ba, next month is the 1 month na, then April na walang pasok. Because April 12 is our end of our class.
Teacher said?
At the flag ceremony po. Huh? Don't you remember that, Tommy po? Didn't teacher told you po?
Mm?
The teacher told you the group chat po?
Not yet.
Our end of our classes is April 12.
Kuya Ristin and very delay na.
Hmm?
National.
Hmm?
April 25 ata daw.
April 25.
Guys, we have cucumber here.
Ma, you wanna swim in the end